George here, development chef at Cook. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about our new Lobster Thermidor Soufflés, which are a rich, delicious and indulgent starter for any sort of festive get-together that you may be having. A really delicious Lobster Thermidor bisque melt in the middle centre, which is cheesy, rich and just wonderful. Encased in a super light, fluffy souffle mix, so they puff up in the oven, they are delicious. The topping is a lovely hand-picked lobster mixed with some wonderful cheese, a bit of cayenne pepper just for that sort of lovely little kick at the end. They're really easy to cook. Just pop them into the oven on a hot tray, leave them in there for half an hour, and when they're done, take them out, leave them to rest for 2 minutes, and then simply run a knife just around the outside. To serve them, simply pop them onto a plate with some super fresh salad leaves, some balsamic dressing, and enjoy. I mean, they're absolutely delicious. Please don't miss out. Go and grab yourself some now, and yeah, get stuck in.